Ah, Roda? Si Roda.
Ay, salamat sa inyo, ha?
Ayan siya.
Thank you.
Ganda ng mga ano, di ba mga bata?
Hindi sa naka-video to.
Ay, may sarili siyang regalo. Paibog. Paibog do, may sarili regalo.
Oh! So, ayos may sariling
Thank you.
gift.
Susuot mo.
Paano ba iniinom ito? Igugugol pa natin to.
Isa pa! Isa pa! Oh, Angela, ba't ka nagtatago dun? Dapat may kandila.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw may candle, dali. Mainit. Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, Sanyo.
Ay, naka-record. Happy birthday, sir.
Magre-resign ako pag ano yan
Wala stick to si Jeffoy. Sana na sali ng piya.
Hindi kasi game mo. Uy, baka na! Sabi na
Tatlong tagay pa si Roda.
Hoy, itong tagay pa si Roda, kakanta ng Chef Mel! Ano mo na yung kanta mo?
Chef, ito ang isis ko sa inyo, Chef. Ano yan? Hindi ko nga nababasa yan.
Sex ba mo?
Baby, ang sarap.
Baby, ang sarap.
Title ng kanta eh.
Kanta, baby.
Ay, makalasina. Si Roda, si Roda.
Kanina pa.
Five.
Graduate na!
18.
Wala pa.
Happy birthday
happy birthday pa. 1, 2, 3. Ayan na! Ang New Year celebration ang mo. Baka sir nabasag yan.
Lipstick! Kanino ba to?
Hindi lang siya.
Yan lang.
Wow! Naku, nabasag kasi nabagsak.
Scented oil.
Wow!
Ano, scented oil na ano? Wow. Scented oil. Welcome sa mga bagong dating. Okay po.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel. Hope you, yeah. Happy birthday. Hope you like. Happy birthday, Chef Mel. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hope always to find you in there. Happy birthday to all of you.
1, 2,
3. Happy birthday, Chef.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel. Okay.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel. Still young. God bless.
Happy birthday, Chef! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Chef! Happy birthday! Hi, Chef! Happy birthday! More blessings to come. God bless. More birthdays to come. Thank you! Happy birthday!
3.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel.
Happy birthday, Chef!
3.
Hi, Chef Mel! Happy birthday!
Hello, Chef Mel. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health always. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
3.
Hi, Chef Mel! Happy birthday! God bless! Mwah.
Hi, Chef. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye. Hi, Chef Mel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Tapos more birthdays to come. Tsaka na pala. Well, thank you at kasi lagi kahit gabing-gabi na, you always answer the phone. Kasi sobrang thankful kasi kahit gabing-gabi na sumasagot ka pa rin ng phone kasi nag-istorbo ko sa'yo lagi, tapos sa WhatsApp. Yun lang, be patient to us. Thank you. Tsaka God bless po. Take care always. Happy birthday po again, Chef. God bless. Take care, Chef. Bye. Ciao.
Hello, Chef. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Dito lang ako sa likod mo. You know it. Mwah.
Good morning, Chef Mel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. and greet you all the year. You will be in the happiness, and inshallah, I wish whatever you want, you will get it. Thank you.
Hi, Chef. How are you, Chef Mel? Good? Just I want to wish you a happy birthday. Inshallah, all your life will be full on success, happiness, and the kids will be grow, and you will be a big grandfather. Love you, Chef.
Happy birthday, Chef Mel!
Hi, sir. Happy birthday.
Wish you all the best.
Hi, Chef Mel! Happy birthday from Oman with love. Hi, Chef Mel!
Happy birthday.
Chef Mel!
Happy birthday, Chef Mel! Yala sa mwah! Mwah! Okay.
Happy birthday po, Tito Mel.
Divine, ikaw. Divine, happy birthday, Tito Mel.
Happy Tito Mel.
Happy birthday, Tito Mel.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Mel. Happy birthday po, Tito Mel.
Divine, ikaw. Divine, happy birthday, Tito Mel.
Happy Tito Mel.
Happy birthday, Tito Mel.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you for everything you've done for us. Love you.
And thanks for being the coolest and the greatest father ever.
Kay Daddy, happy birthday, Daddy! Wish ko lang humaba pa ang buhay at good health para pamatagal tayong pagkakasama.
Okay, sabay-sabay
Happy
ulit.
birthday, Daddy.
1, 2, 3, happy birthday!